Good evening, my friend. Welcome to your 10-minute bedtime yoga stretch to help you decompress from a busy day, to help you wind down, to get a restful sleep. Join me laying on your bed or a mat. You can begin by inhaling the knees to the chest, creating circles in one direction, giving yourself a breath like a sigh of relief. And you exhale, pausing at center and taking the knees in the opposite direction. Allow that breath to relax your body, to roll out your low spine, to get a little massage on the low back as you exhale, heels down. Windshield wipe legs side to side as the arms stretch out wide. Pausing if it feels good for you, or just allowing your low spine to let go, to relax. Maybe a little pop will come. Letting the breath exhale, the right leg long, left knee bends, arms reach above, reach and stretch as you ground through the foot on the bent leg. Allow yourself to decompress. To exhale, to feel this lovely stretch. Exhale the knee on the left across the body, arms reach out towards the sky. Reach from fingertips to fingertips and let go. Decompress with the exhalation. Allow your low spine to relax. To deeply exhale. Knee comes back to center. Swap, left leg reaches long, arms reach above the head. Beautiful reach and stretch with a bent leg. Find what you need in this laying stretch, my friend. Allow your body to rejuvenate. Exhaling the breath away. Exhale the knee on the top across, arms reach wide for a laying supine twist. As you might notice, one side is a little bit more tense and tight. If this is that side for you, how can you exhale and soften into the tension? As the knees reach up towards the chest, you can reach for the inner shins or the outsides of the feet for a happy baby. You can gently rock side to side, pulling the feet towards the body or shins. This is your choice. There is no right or wrong here, my friend. A gentle rocking just encourages a little bit more of a release in the hips, the low and the middle spine. Allow that inhalation to flow in. Beautiful. Exhale the left heel. The right heel reaches across for a laying figure four or a laying half of a pigeon. Hands can reach for that little keyhole on the back of the leg. Roll out the ankles. Open the toes. Find what feels good for you, my friend. As you decompress, as your body is feeling a little bit looser, a little less tense, bend that heel down and rock side to side as you swap. Right heel down, left heel reaches across the knee. Heel on the right reaches up, thread through that little keyhole, rolling out the ankles. And finding what feels good in this hip, in this hamstring, in your thigh. Allowing your muscles to get the stretch that feels really good for you tonight. Heel reaches down, right leg reaches long, and open up through the side, externally rotating the left bent leg open. Beautiful work here. Reach for the heel, allow it to come across the body. Right hand grabs for the foot, left hand reaches up above for a laying threaded figure four. If this isn't in your practice, you can keep that heel on the inside of the thigh. Give yourself that lovely reach and stretch. Allow the exhalation to relax you. Beautiful work. Exhale, swap sides. Left heel reaches long. Right leg bends, heel comes in towards that pelvic wall. This is your first variation. You can stay here or reach with the opposite hand for the foot as the right hand reaches above. So opposite hand, opposite leg reaches up and down. This laying deeper figure 4 stretch to really expand relaxation. Wonderful. Exhale, the knees in, hugging the body in. Beautiful. Heels come down, soles of the feet kiss together for laying butterfly, a Supta Konasana. Arms reach out. If you have any blocks or pillows, you can put these under your hips as you encourage a hip opening relaxation. As you open, as you rest, really allowing your breath to guide you into relaxation. Really getting this lovely stretch on the inner thighs, encouraging the stretch as the arms reach wide. And you just relax, knowing that there's time for work and there's time for rest. And this is your resting time. Maybe the hands want to come to the belly, knees come up. You can gently windshield wipe side to reset your low spine as we set up for a Shavasana or a mini yoga nidra, also known as yogic sleep. Getting your body ready for relaxation. Maybe you want to bend your knees up, maybe the legs want to lengthen long. Finding a nervous system reset as you start by relaxing at the scalp. Notice any tension or tightness in the forehead and the fists. Gather that tension and tightness, hold it in. Exhale, release. Beautiful. Gather any tension or tightness, clench the jaw, fists, and bottom, and release as you begin by softening through the forehead, letting the jaw soften, relaxing shoulders and arms, relaxing wrists, hands, and fingers, allowing a gentle wave of relaxation that washes over your heart, relaxing spine and belly, noticing any tension or tightness in your hips or bottom, and truly letting go of any muscular effort in your upper body. Relaxing legs, knees, shins, calves, heels, soles of feet, relaxing each toe, allowing a full body wash and rinse of relaxation that streams from toes to hips to heart to head, allowing the focus to roll into the breath through the nostrils. Exhale with a sigh of relief. Allow the breath to come into the count of 3. Exhale to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale to the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Exhale the count of 4 as you reach the hands up. Stretch the feet long. Beautiful. Full body reach and stretch. Hugging the body in. You can lay on your back or lay on a side and receive these affirmations with me. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am rested and replenished. I am rested and replenished. I am rested and replenished. You can gently bring yourself up into a seated position. Inhale the hands to your heart center and just take a moment to notice any shifts. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste, my beautiful friend. I wish you the best night rest.